Super morning, all of you. This is your Anjali ma'am, and I welcome you all in my class. So, today I'm here to take your playful activities class. And are you excited? What is the concept of today? So, today's concept is page number 9 of your playful activities book, Big and Small. Big, do action. Big and small. Again, big and small. So, now everybody is ready? Excellent. So, let's start. Big and small. Before starting my class, I have something for you. Now, what is this? This is a cute elephant. And look at this, see this? Mouse. So the elephant is big and this mouse is small. Big and this is small. Again, the elephant is big and the mouse is small. Big, it means bada. Small, it means छोटा. ये एलिफेंट बिग है और ये माउस स्मॉल है, छोटा है ना? इज इट ट्रू ना? और नेक्स्ट आई हैव, व्हाट इज दिस? बॉल. एंड दिस इज बॉल. So what is the difference? This ball is big and this ball is small. Big, small, big, small. Now which one is big? This one or this one? Tell me. Excellent. The red ball is big and the orange ball is small. Next I have one fruit and one vegetable. This is tomato. Tomato is big and the strawberry is small. This is big and this is small. Okay, now let's see some examples related to big and small on the screen. Which animal is this? This is giraffe, na? So, the giraffe is big and the tortoise is small. Big, small. This is big and this is small. Let's see. Which vegetable is this? Pumpkin. So this pumpkin is small and this is big. Big, small, small, big. This bird is big. ये bird big है. And the butterfly is small. This bird is big and the butterfly is small. Big, small, big, small. Now look at this. Which fruit is this? Apple. So both are apples, but the difference? Big, small. Now which one is big? This one or this one? This one? Excellent. Big, small. Okay, now next. Ball. This is again a ball, but this ball is big and this is small. Big, small, big, small. Got it? Okay. So now let's continue our work. Look and compare, then color the big hut and small tree beautifully. So which hut is big? Which one is big? This one or this one? कौन सी वाली हट बिग है यानी बड़ी है? This one ना? So hmm, hmm, like this and then color it. Okay? Color the outline and then fill the color like this. Done? Okay. Now, which one is big? This tree or that tree? Tell me, which one is small? So, जो small है उसको आपको color करना है green. That's it. Okay. Now, next activity, color the big object with red and the small one with green color. So we have two balloons, two butterflies, two fish and two car. Okay? So जो big car है उसे हमें color करना है with red. This balloon is big. And this balloon is small. Okay. Now next, which butterfly is big? This one or this one? So again, color the butterfly with red. Okay. Now which one is small? This one now? So we have to fill green color. जो small objects हैं उस पे हमें green color करना. Okay, done. So beta, like this, you have to complete page number 9. So this was the concept of big and small. I hope today's concept is understood by all. So now thank you for watching me and keep me watching. So let's catch up soon in my next class. So bye for now. Take care and goodbye.